Today, we'll be teaching you about all the different kinds of Hobonichi Techo, our life book. Here's a look at the lineup. Daily planners come in two sizes, A6 Original and Planner, and A5 Cousin, which is twice as big. The Avec Daily Planner cuts the year into two lighter and more portable 6-month books. There's also a slim weekly Hobonichi Techo called the Weeks. The blue book is the Day Free, which contains undated grid paper and a monthly calendar. Finally, the 5-year Techo is a great way to enjoy writing about your daily life. Let's take a closer look at each Techo type. First, we'll introduce the Original and Planner. This is the classic A6 size daily Techo. 1 page per day offers plenty of room to suit your own lifestyle. The paper is lined with 3.7mm squares to allow for neat writing and drawing. You can enjoy reading your Techo too, with daily quotes on every page. The book is compact and easy to carry, thanks to its ultra-thin Tomoe River paper. Keep a diary, track your schedule, draw pictures, and paste items. Over time, your unique book will bring you joy when you read through it. The Original comes in Monday Start and Sunday Start versions. This refers to the first day of the week listed for the calendars, so you can pick whichever you prefer. The Planner is the English edition of the Daily Techo. It has a distinct black cover with Techo written on it. Its pages have red and gray accents. The design of the monthly calendar looks like this. The daily pages look like this. The pages are lined with 4mm squares to accommodate writing in any language. The Original and Planner can be used with the cover. Hobonichi Techo covers offer lots of extra functionality. Pick your favorite from all the different designs, fabrics, and shapes to choose from. Next, let's look at the Cousin. This is an A5 size Techo with 1 roomy page per day. The A5 size Cousin is twice the size of the A6 Original, and the larger size offers ample writing room. It's great for collecting lots of information in a single book, pasting things into its pages, or writing in larger print. It's popular for studying, work, and parenting. The Cousin also has a unique weekly diary with vertical entries for glancing at the week's plans. There are a variety of Cousin covers to choose from, too. Next is the Avec book set. It's a daily planner with pages just like its Original and Cousin counterparts, but it's split into two 6-month books. The Avec is especially light and easy to carry around, but it still fits into the same covers as the full-size books. Next, we've got the weekly Techos, the Weeks, and Weeks Mega. The Weeks is a slim Techo that's handy for anyone who needs to see their week at a glance. It fits perfectly into a bag or pocket for easy carrying. Each week's dated page on the left is supplemented by a notebook page on the right. Its pages are lined with 3.55mm squares and feature one quote for each spread. With 71 more notebook pages in the back, there's plenty of space to take notes. If you want even more, the week's mega is for you. It has a whopping 215 notebook pages in the back to fill with information and use however you'd like. There are many week's book covers to choose from, along with plenty of covers to store your weeks. Next is the day-free monthly notebook. It's filled with monthly calendars and graph paper pages. The first half of the book has monthly calendars. The second half has undated graph paper. It's great for anyone who has a hard time writing consistently. The day free includes the Hobonichi Techo's usual daily quotes, one per page. One special feature of the day free is the small illustration on the bottom right corner of each spread. Shinsuke Yoshitake illustrated the 2022 edition. The day free comes in A6 or A5 size. Both are slim and easy to carry. There are covers sized especially for the day free, but you can also use covers meant for the original and cousin. Finally, let's look at the Hobonichi 5-year Techo. The special edition includes various features that make the Hobonichi Techo so easy to write in. Its pages line up the same day across 5 years, so all it takes is a single sentence per day to provide great entries. The right-hand page offers additional writing space, with daily quotes on the bottom. The pages at the back of the book allow you to reflect on each year. After 5 years of writing, the book will be a precious record of your life. The book comes in 2 sizes, the Hobonichi 5-year Techo, which has A6 size pages, and the large Hobonichi 5-year Techo with A5 size pages. If you want to protect your book or change things up, you can choose from covers designed specially for the 5-year Techo. That's the Hobonichi Techo lineup. Deciding which one you'll use while thinking about the life ahead of you is part of the fun. We hope you find your perfect match.